Hey ladies and gentlemen, how you doing? Don't know what the day is. I think it's the 22nd. We'll check. Hold on, let me look. Okay, it's Thursday the 23rd of October. Ruthie the Bumbles always wants me to put in the date. And so there it is. Anyway, look at all them flies. Staying warm on that car. So when last time I was home, I took this car to town and the thermostat stuck on it. She got boiling hot. I thought it blew her up, but took it for a drive last night. Seemed fine, and drive it long enough to get hot. So we changed the thermostat in it so we can be using this car. It's too good of a car just to let it sit around do nothing. So get that put in there, put some antifreeze in it, button it up. I do have all the window motors. I need to do this back one, the other back one, and I also have the driver in case. So I bought all four, but the driver and the passenger works. I have this Cadillac out, get it ready, because we're gonna go see AJ. Yeah, we're gonna go to the motel in London, Kentucky on Saturday and stay the night there, and on Sunday morning can't visit until 3 p.m. anyway, so we'll go visit and get back here on Monday. I'll head on back to the yard, and maybe it won't be so slow when I get there. And so I also went over and see the people that I bought my 10 tires from, and asked them if I can get a rebate because those didn't even make it 2 months. And so this is exactly what was on here before, and they lasted 4 years. So if a tire can last 4 years, I think perhaps that might be the same tire I want to put on there again. You know what I mean? So it's an ugly tire. I think it's ugly because of these. It's an ugly tire, but it's okay. It can be ugly all at once as long as it lasts 4 years. Or if it lasts 2 years, that'd be fantastic. If it would last 1 year, it would be fantastic. But 4 years is how old that other one was that I had taken off of here. So I got the same exact tire. Took $250 off for each tire. That's $500 off. And so I got these mounted with beads on here for $1,080. And man, these tires cost that for just one, almost. And then I also had the balancers taken off, those metal balancers that you can get. I've had issues with those in the past and replaced tires, got my tires balanced. It's all kinds of stuff. And it turned out it was that those balancers that you can buy, I forget the name of them, but they're the metal balancers that you put behind your wheel. I don't like them because they'll get a leak or one of those bearings in there will go bad and it causes them not to move like they're supposed to. And from being balanced, it goes to being unbalanced, and there's nothing you can do about it. So I don't like them. So I just had them take them off, throw them in the garbage. And put balance beads. Every single tire's got balance beads in it. So there we go. We got some XE E20 Michelins, 11R 22.5s. It's tall rubber, and that's the difference. The last set was low pros. These are tall rubbers, which is what the truck's supposed to have. And it doesn't get 8 miles a gallon anymore now that I got tall rubber on it. It gets 6.1 miles a gallon. But these tires here seem to be doing fine. So No issues with these so far, and it shouldn't have in less than 2 months. So that Cadillac's gonna be done. We got to go in and see the CPS workers. They want us to go to some sort of, you know, what do they call it, treatment, counseling, or whatever, court-ordered crap, which the judge ordered it and never even looked to read it, which Ruthie is supposed to be filing a complaint against him because that's unethical. He's not upholding his oath by not reading the case and just going by what CPS says, because he said, well, we want him to do this and do that and do this, and this is what the report says. And what does it say? He said. He is foolish enough to make it a matter of record and let everybody know that he wasn't reading what he was supposed to read. So I'm going to file an official complaint against him. We had a complaint made with Frankfurt, and they went and did a lot of stuff. And so anyway, so Ruthie got a lot of stuff reduced off of what she was supposed to do, and really I never had anything to do with anything, and they wanted me to do 27 different things because it's something I did 40 freaking years ago, which I served my time, paid my debt to society, and there's no reason to be bringing that up anymore. That's double jeopardy. It's against the law to do that. And so the only thing I will agree to, and that's it, and that's family counseling, and I'll do a little bit other than that. You can forget about it. Oh, hey, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, lots of great names y'all are coming up with. I do like the Redeemed Trucking, along with lots of others y'all have come up with. AJ and the Old Man, you know, Old Man on the Road, all whatever y'all come up with. But keep it up. We're not far from 10,000. So when the 10,000 is here, we'll select some of the best ones and make sure that they're usable, and then we'll vote on them. So AJ's is Big Belly. His favorite out of the ones that he picked is Big Belly Bumbles Trucking and Son Plus. I don't know what the plus is for, but that's his. So anyway, thanks for all your participation, and we'll get that taken care of as soon as we reach 10,000, and we'll make votes on it, and we'll get a new name. So so the reason for it, I'm sure lots of you are like, oh, I like that name, and we've had that. The reason is because even from the very beginning, the name Big Belly throws off the algorithms, and it makes it think that we're a diet channel, and it always puts us in the diet section. Well, dieters don't want to watch old truck drivers. They want to do exercise and diet. So don't get any views over there. And anyway, so yeah, it throws off the algorithms, and since we've made it this far in I guess Ruthie said 5.5 years, in 5.5 years at 10,000 subscribers, it's time, if we're gonna ever do it, let's do it now, and before it gets any further, so we can get it established. I don't know what it's going to be, ladies and gentlemen. I know every once in a while I hear one I like, Piles of Miles Trucking. It's got to be trucking related, so that helps the algorithms place us where we need to be. And y'all have a wonderful day wherever you are. Thanks for stopping in. God bless, and later.